Shiba Inu in danger? A massive sell wall could crush the price. But wait, there's a twist. What's up, my Gold Rush gang? Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the hottest crypto news every single day. And today we've got some alarming news for Shiba Inu holders. A massive sell wall of 35 trillion SHIB could be about to crush the price. But don't panic just yet. There are also signs that whales are buying the dip. Could this be a recipe for a huge reversal? Let's dive in and find out. All right, let's start with this article from the Crypto Basic. It's titled, Large Shiba Inu Whale Daily Net Flow Spikes 71.32 billion SHIB as price retests $0.00002. 7140% spike in net flow. That's a huge number. But what does it mean? Are the whales buying or selling? On-chain data confirms that large Shiba Inu whales are buying the ongoing dip, even as SHIB retests critical support levels. For context, Shiba Inu recently retested the crucial support around $0.00002 when it collapsed to a floor price of $0.0002095 yesterday. However, the meme coin rebounded quickly, managing a 4.55% intraday gain to hold above $0.00022. Okay, so SHIB is holding above that crucial support level. That's a good sign, but it's still down significantly from its recent highs. Despite retaining the $0.00022 region, Shiba Inu is still one of the assets most affected by the ongoing market collapse, down 16.59% in December, and now sitting on the 15th position among the largest crypto assets. SHIB has also collapsed by more than 32% since December 9th. As you can see, SHIB has been on a downtrend lately, but the whales are stepping in to buy the dip. Could this be the start of a reversal? Shiba Inu net inflow spiked 7,140%. Despite price drops, nonetheless, this bearish phase has not impacted confidence among large whales. Data from Into the Block, which defines these whales as wallets holding at least 1.1% of SHIB's circulating supply, indicates that the tier of addresses have been buying large chunks of SHIB since December 10th. These whales have mostly witnessed positive net flows during this period, but the latest data confirms that they boasted a net inflow of 799.32 billion SHIB, worth over $17.5 million yesterday. This figure represents an 11-day peak in positive net flows into these addresses. So the whales are definitely buying the dip. This is a bullish sign. It suggests that they believe SHIB is undervalued at these levels. Further data scrutiny reveals that the addresses actually procured 1.21 trillion SHIB, worth $26.6 million yesterday, but sold about 413 billion tokens, 9.1 billion, resulting in the net inflow of 799.32 billion SHIB. This represented a massive 7,140% increase from the previous day's figure of 11.04 billion tokens. Wow, that's a huge increase in net flow. It seems like the whales are really loading up on SHIB. Notably, throughout Q4 2024, net inflows to these addresses have outpaced outflows by nearly 5 times. The highest intraday net outflow from these addresses amounted to 951.84 billion SHIB on November 6th. However, the highest net inflow was 3.47 trillion tokens on November 12th, as Shiba retested the $0.0000028 region. The Crypto Basic called attention to some of these accumulation moves in previous times. Notably, in mid-October, a whale accumulated 83.3 billion SHIB tokens as the market aimed to rebound from a previous downtrend. A new whale procured 397 billion tokens in August. The whales have been accumulating SHIB for a while now. They are clearly bullish on its long-term potential. SHIB exchange reserve slumps. Data from CryptoQuant further confirms this accumulation spree. Particularly, Shiba Inu exchange reserve has witnessed a persistent decline since early December. Exchange reserves stood at 140.87 trillion SHIB as of December 7th, but have since dropped to the current figure of 135.74 trillion. Meanwhile, Shiba Inu is now looking to defend a breakout above a months-long symmetrical triangle. SHIB broke above the triangle in early November, but appears to be retesting the breakout. The bulls need to defend this retest, which would provide a healthy position for Shiba Inu to recover. Shiba Inu currently trades for $0.0002233 at press time, up 3.81% this week. The asset must defend the fib, 38.2% level at $0.00001942 to hold against any collapse back inside the triangle. That symmetrical triangle is a key pattern to watch. If SHIB can hold above it, we could see a breakout to the upside. Now let's talk about some concerning news for Shiba Inu. This article from Crypto News is titled, Shiba Inu faces a massive $35 trillion SHIB imbalance. Is a crash coming? A massive imbalance? Is SHIB about to crash? Let's see what's going on. Shiba Inu is posted an imbalance of $35.5 trillion. Shiba Inu. What does this mean for the price? The Doge-inspired meme coin Shiba Inu has faced a massive sell-off, which has pulled Shiba's value down 21% over the week to $0.00022. This price point is actually a critical support level, according to on-chain data from Into the Block, which highlights how meme coin investors have bought in some 362 billion SHIB across 270 addresses at this price point. Descending even further down to $0.000019, we see some 54,350 transactions involving an eye-watering 53.91 trillion. Conversely, when we go up to $0.00026, we find some $89.47 trillion SHIB, worth around $2 billion, is held by 119,490 addresses, all of which are, of course, posting a loss. So between $0.000019 and $0.000026, we have an imbalance. More specifically, a sell wall of over 35.5 trillion SHIB around the current price, introducing significant resistance. A sell wall of 35.5 trillion SHIB, that's a lot of selling pressure. If those holders decide to sell, it could trigger a massive crash. However, in spite of a steep recent drop to below its projected support level over the last 3 months, there are signs that the meme coin could rally back above the safe zone of $0.000026. A relative strength index RSI of 40 and rising suggests many are buying the dip, and should this continue, dollar SHIB fans will have lifted it out of the worst of the crisis. The fact that the token has actually added 0.2% in the last 24 hours, while its inspiration, Dogecoin, Doge, is down 1.6%, suggests this may be the case. The RSI is rising. That's a bullish sign. It suggests that buying pressure is increasing. Maybe the whales will be able to absorb that sell wall and push the price higher. Shiba Inu is at a critical juncture, guys. There is a massive sell wall that could crush the price, but the whales are buying the dip, and the technicals are showing some bullish signals. This could be a make or break moment for SHIB. So what do you guys think? Will the whales be able to overcome the sell wall and send SHIB to the moon? Or is a crash inevitable? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss any of my daily crypto updates. And as always, a friendly reminder that this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. Crypto is a volatile market and you could lose money. But with that being said, I still believe that Shiba Inu has a lot of potential. It has a passionate community, a growing ecosystem, and a lot of room to grow. All right, my Gold Rush gang, that's all I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the latest Shiba Inu news. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. And as always, stay tuned for more crypto updates coming your way soon.